these now.
So now they have so many nice items for
Put them
Alex.
back now,
So
otherwise people won't know where
no, I need to give it to them. So this is one of Alexander's Christmas gift. Like this, but I don't buy shoes for him that he's not with me kasi nga mapili si Alexander sa shoes. So ito Adidas at saka Adidas din. Tapos kailangan kasi ganito siya sa school para easy lang. They can do it on their own, you know. Gusto niyang bilhin to 30 pound each na siya kasi I know, not each, together. I don't know, worth it ba to? Tapos, eto naman kay John. Kasi mga sale ito eh. Yan. This one. And then eto. Tapos socks. Yeah. Yeah. So many sale today. I'm thinking nga bumili din ng for me. Just look at. Meron sa ditong 24, 18 pound lang. This one I think I will buy this. Kasi nga nag-yellow talaga sila guys. I mean nag-yellow. Nagiging madumi talaga sila. When you are wearing. Tingnan nyo yung suot ko ngayon, di ba? So maybe this one. Anong size? Ito 33 before, then size 5. Size 3. Size 4 ito. Ang pangit ng ano niya. Box. Hanap tayo ng maganda yung box. So, bibili ng box. Meron din silang ganito. Okay, ay magmamadali pala kami kasi today is Christmas Day. Meron nila 24 din. Or black.
No, it's not Christmas Day.
Christmas
it's just
Eve.
24 today.
Yeah. Okay, let's ask them to get these pairs. Yeah, you like the color?
I like this only.
The black one also. Because we're
No,
going to buy
black is not a color.
for school. School shoes. Because your school shoes soon will be tight. You need a new one.
Oh, okay, fine.
Ah, meron pala din dito eh. Or you want this? This is 3 Adidas also. Which one you preferred more?
This one.
This one or this? Which one you
I
like?
don't know because that one has more strings, so I bet it would be more tight.
So this one you preferred?
Yeah.
Okay.